Good morning, dear tutor and classmates. Today I will talk about the effect that technology has had on the environment, its impact, and the recommendation that we can take into account to contribute to our environment. Effects of technology on the environment. For a long time, industrial and technological needs have been satisfied without pay attention to the possible damage caused by the environment, taking into account that human activity from obtaining the raw material to the disposal of the waste generate after obtaining product in can contain direct consequences for the impact of technological works, the pollution produced in the obtaining and treatment of many raw material or energy source. Technology has a great impact on the environment since it makes the development of people easier by providing better learning in such a way that people's life become more varied, but even so technology affects things that will be human. We have put technology as priority, leaving behind the repercussion that is brings with it, such as climate change that constantly varies due to the how effect it has been. Impact of technology on the environment. Technology has impacted global warming. Tips and recommendations. Use a device with recyclable components. 1. 2. Save energy. 3. Use equipment with recyclable components. Choose recyclable elements that have seals that certify the protection of the environment. And 4. Use products that do not have or are considered toxic. Thank you for your time.